Hey everyone, so I got an amazing package in today from Kraken Energy themselves. Super excited because I think I know what's in it, but I'm not 110% sure. Anyways, I'm going to get right into this. I'm super excited. Oh, we got some really nice stickers. And I think that's the art for Rocket Pop. And if you may or may not know me, my name is Ness8. You'll see me regularly on the Discord. Oh, more stickers. I'm down with that. Oh, thank you so much for your support. A little thank you letter. Now, honestly, tell me, companies like G Fuel give you something like that? And just look at that. Brand new Kraken shaker. Don't need that anymore. Can't wait to get into this. Look at that. Oh, beautiful blue. You can hang it on your backpack if you go to the gym. Not everybody goes to the gym, but in case you do. I mean, I'm usually just grinding away in video games. And, it's a wire whisk, not one of those annoying springs. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. And, if you already don't, you and your friends should all be going to drinkkraken.com, getting yourself some of this, and rise with the rest.